Ready to ignite your Instagram community with a viral chain reaction? Let's dive into creating your very own custom Add Yours template. First, open your Instagram app and start creating a new story. You can choose a photo, video, or even a plain background to build your template on. Once your background is ready, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen, scroll down, or search until you find the Add Yours sticker. Now comes the creative magic. In the prompt field, type your engaging question or call to action. Think about something fun, relatable, or thought-provoking that your followers will want to participate in. For example, show me your cozy reading spot, or what's your go-to coffee order. You can also customize the look of your prompt. Tap the text to bring up formatting options, change the color of your text, the background, or even add a simple animation to make your prompt pop. Before you post, tap your Add Yours sticker again. This is where you can choose to make it a public or private template, controlling who can participate in your chain. Once you're happy with your prompt and design, you can add any other elements like GIFs or music, then simply share your story. Boom! Your custom Add Yours template is live. Watch as your followers jump in, adding their own unique contributions and creating a dynamic, interactive story that fuels engagement and builds your community. Get creative and have fun.